Hello, and welcome to my channel. I'm Nash, and today we are going to be sitting down and we are going to be reviewing March's Boxycharm. So I'm going to go through all the products we received in the box this month, give you a total value of what you're going to receive in the box, or what you did receive in the box, as well as one spoiler for April as well. So a spoiler that we're going to be getting in next month's box. So if you're curious to see what I got in my box and what you might be getting next month in your box, then make sure you just keep on watching. So I know I'm looking a little bit crazy right now. I already have taped off my eyes because I know what we're getting in the box, and I know I want to go into that first. This is the March. Yeah, it's March Boxycharm 2018. The Boxycharm retails for $21 a month American in Canada, and free shipping in America. In Canada, it's after shipping you pay, I think it's $5 American. So after shipping and exchange rate, it comes out to be about $35 a month for Boxycharm. Other than that, let's just go ahead and open it up. First thing I always like to pull out is the card. So this card says Vacation. Oh, that said Bay Nation at first. I was like, what? Vacation. So it's like vacation, but like Bay. So it's just this cute like tropical print on the card this month. And then on the back, of course, as always, it goes through each product that we're going to receive as well as how much everything costs and kind of like a little description and a how-to to use the product. First thing that I want to go into this month is the South Main 3-Eye Gel Pack. So this says it reduces puffiness, reduces dark circles, and moisturizes the eye area. So in the box, it comes with 3 separate packets here. So you can use it 3 different times, which is nice. I hate just getting like one packet of things because you can never really tell if it's gonna work. So as I said, this is by South Main Beauty, the under eye gels, and these retail for $10. So it says to thoroughly cleanse eye area, apply this product under eyes, leave on for 30 minutes to reduce puffiness and dark circles. Use promptly after opening for best results. Use for 3 consecutive days. So I'm gonna grab one of these now and we're gonna go in with that. Before I put them on though, because I know I don't wanna be talking a lot while I have those on, is we're gonna go into a couple more products that we're gonna do with the eyes while those gel packs are under my eyes. So the next thing in the box that I have been so excited to get this month is the Boxycharm and Pure palette. And oh, this packaging, it has like raised little hearts on it. That's really cute. Let's go ahead and cut this tape off. Look at the beautiful colors, you guys. So I'm going to be going in with this today. I'm so excited for this blue. I'm going to do like a glittery, shimmery blue liner with that blue. I think it's going to look really pretty. I wanted to show you guys this as well. Oh, I didn't even tell you. The Boxycharm and Pure palette retails for $36. And then next we have the Vintage Cosmetics Company Smokey Eye Brush Set. So we have the 3 brushes in here. They have little sayings on them. So it says step 1 for the money, step 2 for the shadow, step 3 go girl go. Oh, I get it, like the song. Somebody was saying they didn't understand it, and I didn't understand it when they said it either, but it's the song, like 1 for the money, 2 for the show, 3 to get ready and go go. However that song goes, is that even right? I don't know, but that's totally what they're going. I like that, that's cute. So these brushes retail for $23.15. And then it says GBP/USD at 140. Do you know what that means? I don't know what that means. So basically, there's no blending brush in here though, which is odd. So it has like a packer brush. They seem really soft. And then like an angled blender brush kind of, so it would be good for like the V, and then I don't know what I'd use that for, like another packer brush maybe. Okay, so anyways, let's just go ahead and start applying this stuff. So I'm gonna go in first, South Main under eye gels, and then I'll continue on with the shadow, and I'll just kind of point out what I'm doing while I go. Okay, so they're sticking pretty well. I know Kathleen did a Boxycharm video and she said they were like falling off her under eyes, but I feel like they're on there pretty good, at least right away. top of my eyes. I'm not sure yet how I feel about this palette. I think I'm gonna have to play with it a couple more times. I expected a lot from this palette because of the Soiree Diaries palette that we got a few months back, maybe 6 months ago. And this is an absolutely gorgeous palette. The shades are so pigmented, everything blends like a dream. This palette I found had quite a bit of fallout to begin with. These two shades here I went in with first, and they were very lackluster. They kind of just blended away. They didn't have much pigment at all. And then this pink shade I was going to use to deepen everything up, and I just had such a hard time blending out this pink shade. And then I was going in with the blue liner, and I was able to build it up okay, but I had a really difficult time building the blue up to be so extreme like you see it in the pan. The only shade that I had good luck with was the inner corners, and I went in with Charmer, and that was a nice shade when I went in with a wet brush. So I'm gonna have to play around with this palette a little bit more. So far, I'm not 100% sure how I feel about it, but it is what it is. What I'm gonna do now is just remove these guys, and then I'm just gonna remove my tape as well. My under eyes feel nice though. They feel kind of like tight, like pulled back, and not so puffy. I actually like the little gel pads. I'll use those a couple more times, but I'm gonna just quickly head off camera and do my foundation and stuff, and then we'll come back and finish up the eye look as well as talk about the next product in the box. So what I'm gonna do to finish off the lower lash line is just go in with that blue again, and I'm just gonna swoosh that across. So like I said, I'm just gonna have to play with that palette a little bit more to get my full opinions, as I'm down here, my full opinions on it. I'm not sure exactly how I feel about it yet. Next thing, oh, something I did miss as well is Butter London has 25% off coupon in here, your next $50 purchase. So if you guys don't get Boxycharm or thinking about ordering some Butter London stuff, it's just Charm 25 off Butter London and you get 25% off. Alright, so next thing is this Butter London Double Decker Lashes Mascara. This really big chunky wand, interesting. Interesting. And this guy retails for $20, so pretty pricey little mascara. I've never tried anything from Butter London. I already curled my lashes, and I'm gonna go in with fake lashes as well, so those have glue on them, just waiting to dry a little bit. So that's just one coat compared to this eye with nothing. It's not a bad mascara. I don't mind it. It's quite a wet formula, which I actually prefer. The wand's a little bit thick and chunky for the bottom ones. It's definitely an okay mascara. I'll definitely use it and get my use out of it. As always, I'm still gonna go in with my false lashes to finish off the eyes. Alright, so I like how the eyes are looking. The wing over here is a little bit weird. Okay, so I guess last thing in the box this month. Well, this is the second one I was most excited for. This is the Pretty Vulgar Make Them Blush in Hush Blush. And it's just this beautiful, like, mauve-y, peachy kind of color. So I already applied my highlight. I'm just gonna go over top of my cheeks with this blush. And this blush retails for $26. That's pretty expensive. I put a lot of blush on, but I really like that. I really like that blush a lot, actually. This is a good one. This is a good blush. All right, you guys, so let's zoom me out. Oh, I need to apply my lips. I'm just gonna go in with this Makeup Geek Showstopper Cream Stain. The total value for this month's box is $115, which is a really good value. I'm definitely most excited about this blush. I thought my favorite thing in the palette was gonna be, or in the box was gonna be the palette, the Boxycharm and Pure palette. But I don't know. Like I said, I'm gonna have to play with that palette a little bit more before I make a final verdict on it. Not sure how I feel about it yet. Really, really love this blush. Brushes were okay. I'll probably use them again for other stuff, but they were just kind of mediocre brushes. Not that they were bad brushes, just not necessarily the style of brushes that I would normally go for or use. Mascara was okay, nothing spectacular, but I'll definitely use it and get my money's worth. And the eye packs, I actually really like the eye patch, under eye gels. whatever they are called. I really like those as well. So this is where I'm gonna get into the spoilers for the April box. So if you don't want to see a few things that you're going to be getting in next month's box, then now's the time to click away and we will see you in an upcoming video. Otherwise, stay tuned and you can find out a couple of the products we'll be getting in April's box. It looks like there's currently only one spoiler for next month, so we don't know any but one thing that we will be getting. And it looks like what we'll be getting is one of the ColourPop eyeshadow palettes. You guys, that is so exciting. It has 5 pictures lined up of 5 different eyeshadow palettes, and we'll be getting one of those, I think, so that is so exciting. That's great. I mean, I love the few eyeshadows I've tried from ColourPop. I've absolutely adored, so I'm really excited to be getting an eyeshadow palette from them, so that's super exciting, especially after this kind of interesting palette we got from Pure this month. I'm still not sure how I feel about it, so I'm excited to try another eyeshadow palette from ColourPop next month. Yeah, you guys, that's so exciting. So otherwise, if you guys enjoyed this video, definitely make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. I do post new videos every Tuesday and Thursday on the channel, so you don't want to miss out on that. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in my next video. Bye guys.